and today I am going to the maths chapter number 1 place value. Okay, I hope you are enjoying my lecture and I hope you are all of you safe and I hope you are also healthy. Okay, and healthy. So now today we are going to learn a chapter number 1 place value. In chapter number place, in chapter number first in place value, today we are learn the exercise number first. Okay, first of all I will give a short revision of the what we have done in a last lecture or a previous lecture. Okay, so first of all what we have done, 5 digit and 6 digit number, 5 and 6 digit numbers, 6 digit. Okay, then what we are going the further, then in basis of reading of 4 digit and 6 digit, sorry 5 digit to 6 digit number, reading a 5 digit number, 5 and 6 digit number. Okay, and yesterday what we are done, yesterday we are done a exercise number first on basis of this both topic. Okay, so now we are going the further exercise number first. A is still left, so we are going the further related to this both topic of, okay, of and you, I think you all are remember the place value chart. Okay, today's what we have done next, today's we are must be complete our exercise. Okay, today anyhow we have completed the exercise. Okay, so now I am writing here the place value chart, place value chart. Okay, so now I am again write the place value chart here. First of all, which period is come here? Like period. Okay, then after which period is coming, all students? Okay, then after 1000 period, 1000 period, 1000 period, and then after ones period. Okay, I hope you are understood betterly, all students. So today I am going to teach you one more topic, 5 digit and 6 digit. Again I repeating for you. Sorry, is a lakh, 1 lakh, thousands, ones periods. Okay, so I hope you are understood betterly, all students. Okay, in lakhs periods, which number, which digit, which place value is come? Only lakhs. Okay, only lakhs is come. And after 1000, so in a 1000 it means as like that. 10,000 first, 10,000. Okay, 10,000 and then what? Only 1,000. Okay, then after in a ones period, how many comes? The first of all 100. First of all I am writing is like that, hundreds, tens and ones. So I am writing here hundreds. Okay, it's a hundreds, then tens, and then ones. Okay, so I am writing a number 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then after 1 lakh. It's a 1 lakh. Okay. It's a 1 lakh. 1 lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100 and then tens and 1. Okay. This is your place value chart. What? Place value. It's your chapter name and it's your chart formation. And remember, keep it in your mind. Otherwise, you don't do the exercise because of it's a very useful and very important for us. Okay. Now, yesterday we have done the question number 5. Which question number 1? Question number 1 to 6. We have done yesterday 5 and 6. Okay, so now we are going the further question number 7. So I am right here the question number 7. Okay, so it's our topic. Today is our topic. So now let's start the question number 7. First of all, is your which exercise? Exercise number first A is your incomplete. So question number first is what here? Sorry, question number 7, not a first. Write the place value. Write the place value and a face value. Okay, place value and face value of the colored digit. Colored digit. Digit in each of the following okay, it's your first question. I am explaining here the question number 7. Question number 7 is what? Write the place value and a face value. See, now we are writing here the place value and a face value. Okay, so which digit is here? Which digit in each of the following? Colored digit. Which digit? Colored digit. Okay, so now let's start the question number first. Question number first is what here? 8,237. It's your color and it's I am here doing the different color, using here different colors. Okay, so 8,237. So now we are first of all check the all places. Place value all. It's a 1, it's a tens, it's a what? 100 and it's a 1,000. Okay, so now what we are doing here, the place value and face value. This digit is the colored digit, so this number 30 because of here tens. Okay, and a colored digit. Which color is here in digit? Here a 3 number is the colored, so write both answer 30 and 3. Okay, it's your answer. And don't forget to make a box in your answer. Okay, now I am going to further question number 2. Question number 2 is what? Your 3,490. Okay, question number 4 is what? Your 3,490. Okay, 3,490. So I am right here. First of all, I am writing the place value. It's a 1, it's a 10, it's a 100, and it's a 1,000. Okay, so here is a 4 number is a colored. So first of all, we write the colored numbers and it's a place. Okay, so I am writing a 400. So it's our answer. I hope you are understood, all students. Okay, now question number C. Question number C is what? Question number C is 4,384. Okay, so now here which number is colored? Okay, the 4 number is colored. Okay, so now I am the color, write the here of face value. Okay, and place value. Which place value here? First of all 1000, then after 100, then after tens, and then after ones. Okay, 1000. It means 1000. Okay, now in question number D. Question number D is what I hope you are understood. Don't forget to make a box, because of you in a mathematics one trick is for you. Always you have a right to your answer, so compulsory you make your box. Okay, so it's your good presentation. It's so a good presentation. Okay, now question number D. Question number D is what? 38,691. Okay, so here face value and place value. Face value and place value we must be write here in our answer. Okay, we have to write in our answer. So first of all, which digit is this? 10,000 TTS. This T, this 100, it's a 10, and it's a 1. Okay, so now face value is 3, and answer is okay. So it's our answer, and compulsory you make a box in our answer. Okay. So now let's move the question number E. I am starting here the question number E. Question number E is what? All of you. Question number E is 16,241. Okay, so now here first of all we all write the all places. TTH 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10, 1. Okay, so let's we write the which number is the face value of our answer? 2 number, and 2 hundreds is a okay. So we write as like that. Okay, is our answer. Now question number F. Question number F is what? 2,43,612. Okay, so I am writing here the old place value. 1,14,000, it means 14,000, 3,000 TTH, and it's a T, and it's a 100, it's a tens, and it's a ones. Okay, I hope you are understood better, dear students, and I hope you are enjoying my lectures. Okay, it's your place value of C. I am all right here the place value forms. L means lakh, TTH means 10,000, then it means 10, not a 10 but 1,000. TTH means 10,000, T means what? 1,000, and then H means 100, then after 1 is what here? 10 place, and 2 is a 1 place. So our answer is what here? Which number is correct? Number first, 2. is our face value, and 2 lakh. So we are right as like that 2 lakh. Okay, is our answer. Okay, understood all of you? It's our answer. Now we are going to the further question. Question number G and H. So we go the further question number G and question number H. Question number G is what? 49,861. It's our answer. Okay, 49,861. Okay, so answer is what here? 4 is which place is here? 4 is a 10 TTH means 10,000. 9 means which? 1000. 8 means 100. 6 means which place? 10. And 1 means O. Okay, so which number is here colored face value? 4. And which is 49 means 49,861. So we write as like that. Okay, it's our answer. Okay, so now let's remove the question number H. Okay, question number 8, 59,368. Okay, 59,368. Okay, so it's our answer. Not but a question, and we are right here answer. Which number is colored here? 6. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, and it's called 10,000. Okay, so answer is here with 16. Only 6 is a which places of here? Tens places. Okay, now we are going the further question number 8. Question number 8 is a very easy for us. Okay, question number 8 is I am giving a count in tens. We have only count the tens. No need to count in other place of a digit. So write the instructions here. Question number 8, count in tens. Count in tens. Okay, so we must be the question in question number 8. Question number 8A in first word. Okay, so first of all it's a 9,510. It's your example. Okay, and then 9,520. What are instructions for us? Okay, what are instructions for us? Count in a 10. So 9,510. Now 9,520. Only we are counting here this digit means only tens. Don't forget the tens. Okay, so in this question only we are change tens. 9,510, 9,520, 9,530, 9,540. Then after 9,550 and last 9,560. Okay, it's our answer. I hope you are understood. And then question number 2 is a very easy for us. What same questions? Okay. So I draw here a question. 14,216. Okay. Then after which number is come? Then only we are changing here the tens. So 14,217, 14,218. Then after which number is come here? 14,219. Then after 14,200, not a 200. See now here number is changes 300. 14,300. Then which number? 14,310. Okay. It's a count and tens. Only we are seeing now. It's a changing. We see the changes. Only we are changing in the tens. Okay. I hope you are understood all betterly. Now we are going to further question number B. Question number B. Read. I am reading here question number B. Question number B is what? Count in hundreds. Okay. So no need to change it in the instructions because of C here. Tens. Tens is a remove and then we are writing the hundred. Hundreds. Okay, so now only we are, which digit is here changing for us? Okay, we are here change only the hundreds. Okay, so now question number first in question number B. Okay, in question number 8 in B, question number first. Okay, count in a hundreds. So only we are counting which digit? We are counting here hundreds. Seven, 5, 9, 0. Hundreds means a third digit for this number. Okay, 7,590. Okay, is our count in hundreds. Then after 7,690. 7,790. Then after 890 and then last 7,990. Okay, it's our answer. And then one more question is here. 32,628. Which number? 32,623. So what is our instruction? Only we have changed here. We have to do changing in the where? 100 place. Okay, so we are changing on a 100 place. 32,628. So 32,728. Then after 32,720. Sorry, 8. Okay. Then after 32,928. And then after what? 33,000. But now here see 33, not a 33. See here 30. I am explaining you. 32. 32 as it is. Then after which number is come here? 10. So I am 30. Here writing I am 33 10. Okay, so we we are write as like that 33 1 0 28. Okay, sorry for convenience. 33 is our answer. We have a changing in our 100 place. Okay, our answer is C. It's a difference. Okay, now a further question number C. Question number C is what? Observe the pattern and complete the pattern. Same question is for now, but some other things. Okay, difference in the thousand, different count in thousand means difference in other count, thousands, hundreds, other digits places. Okay, so now question number C. Okay, but instead question number C is observe the pattern, observe and complete. Observe the pattern, observe the pattern and complete. Okay, it's okay. Observe the pattern and complete. So now in question number 1, sub questions. Which number is the first here? C. 6,325. Sorry, 6,385. Then we are changing only 1,000 place. Okay, here they give patterns. It's our we have two example done for us. Okay, so now let's check here. 6 here 7. So now what we will do, we have a changing in back count as like 1,000. 3 3 8 8 5 5. These 3 digit and this 3 digit both are same. Only first both digits are different. So we have change in only first digit. It means where 1,000. So we have complete the patterns here. 8,385. Then 9,385. And what 10,385. Okay. Now we are doing the further question. We as like that, but we have must be check in which digit and which place of changing in our pattern. Okay. So now 53,008. Let's be a check on the which number is here. Changing for need for a changing. Okay, 53 as it is, 000088 as it is. The last 3 digit and this last 3 digit both are same. First two digit are changing on this question. So 55,000 now 8 and 56,000 8 57,000 8 and 59,008. Now our question is complete. Okay, so now we are doing the further questions. Write the numbers before of the following numbers, after and before numbers. Okay.